How to make $50 online even if you are completely broke. So I'm going to share you my experience. I'm going to show you if I was starting from zero. I've been making money over 2 years now, so I would like to share that with you. So if I should start from scratch, I'm going to show you how I did it, why I did it, and how you can execute the same method. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre, AndreMillerOnline.com. Make sure you like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. So that way I know where you're watching my videos from. So let me know in the comments, because the more you let me know, the better I'll create videos for you so that it will work in your area and in your country. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Make sure you watch this all the way to the end, because I'm going to give you a script at the end that you can follow, and you can also use the same exact word to execute this. Now, the reason why I want to give you this, because when I just started, I didn't have anybody to show me how to do it. I just watch a lot of videos, piece it all together, and make it work. So I had to strategize, and I have to come up with ideas on my own. And with those ideas, I'm able to do this full-time online. My wife works from home as well. We both have online business, and we take care of our son, our baby boy, Jackson. So if you've not been following me before, make sure you follow me on my social media platform and check out the community area on this YouTube channel. So I have a lot of videos on here, and make sure you come through here. And there's a lot of videos. So if this is not something that you're looking for, just make sure you come through. So I don't want to make this video too long. However, I just want to go over some very important details. So stay with me all the way to the end, because as I said, I'm going to give you some script that you can use where you can execute the same thing. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we want to make sure that because we're going to be using Facebook. So you want to make sure that your Facebook is good. If you don't have any social media account, if you don't have Facebook account, well, you got to create one, or try the same thing that I'm going to tell you, but on different platform. But this, what I'm sharing with you, will work best on Facebook. So the first thing, make sure you have a picture, because if you're going to reach out to people, if you're going to do business with people on Facebook, you want to get a picture. It doesn't have to be a professional picture. Take a picture of yourself using your phone. If you got a camera, great. And here's why. If you're afraid of your own self, how do you expect people are going to want to do business with you? So I know most of you probably put some like pictures of your animals. I'm not saying animals are not cute, but hey, this is Facebook. People want to see who you are. They want to bond with you, and they want to connect with you. So on my Facebook, I always put pictures. I put my family photos. So if I should reach out to someone, they'll look at my Facebook and be like, okay, this person is legit. I'll take a chance with them and want to do business with that person. So that's how it works. So I'm going to show you how you can clean up your Facebook so it looks good. First thing first, you want to make sure that your timeline, you want to put some really cool stuff. You can put pictures on there. That is my wife right here. So beautiful. But you want to come and you want to go into the settings. So you go to the settings area, which is going to be timeline settings. So in this section, so I want you to stay with me, and I'm going to show you how to make money even if you're broke. So stay with me all the way into the end of this video. The first thing you want to do is, who can post on my timeline? You want to put me, meaning that you. Only you can post on your timeline, because you don't want people to be tagging you on a lot of stuff. So if you want to screenshot this, you can screenshot, not a problem. Who can tag you in the post? Everyone, but only you can actually approve those posts. Make sure you approve it. Review on. Once you do this, you're good to go. You also want to make sure that your Facebook is public. I know most of you like to keep your Facebook private. However, if you want to create another Facebook, go ahead and do that. Especially if you don't want people to be knowing about your business, but make sure you put some pictures and you create it and make it look good. Not a problem. Once you do that, now the next thing you want to do, you want to consistently at least post once or twice a day. You don't want to post all the time. And I have friends, I have people who are doing this, and I did this too. You can, what I'm teaching you and what I'm telling you is to set you up for what I'm about to show you at the end of the video. Now, some of you probably get, a little bit like, well, why do I have to do this? Just stick with me and you're going to see why, because I got friends on here doing 10K a month that is doing exactly what I just told you. So bear with me. I'm going to show you can make money even if you're broke. And what I'm going to share with you doesn't cost any money. So you come through here once you set this up. The next thing we want to do is we want to go and sign up for ClickBank. So sign up for ClickBank. It is free. If ClickBank doesn't work in your country, sign up for another affiliate network like Peerfly. You got JVZoo. You got Munch. You got a lot of them. So sign up for ClickBank. This is free. And once you sign up for ClickBank, we're going to go into this and we're going to find a product to promote. Right? So if you promote this product, what's going to happen? Every time you share the link on social media platform, someone buys, you're going to be making money. Now, one of the things that I always do and what always brings people's attention is surveys. So I went and I found some surveys. I type in the word survey in here. So you go to Marketplace and you type in survey. So what happened? ClickBank is suggesting a lot of different survey websites, offers that you can promote. Now, this one is at the top. The gravity score is 0.33, not so good of a gravity score. And not because it doesn't have a high gravity score, it doesn't mean it's not going to sell. You just got to keep in mind, it's how you angle it and you could sell it. So the one that is hot right now, and it has over 101 gravity score, that means over 101 people sign up for this week, is Get Paid for Your Opinions, real survey jobs. So if you click on it, it's going to take you over to this. So here's what it looks like. This is goldopinions.com. So people can sign up for $1 for a 7-day trial, and afterwards they're going to pay for the actual membership. Now, if you come back over here and you want to promote this, all you got to do is just click on the tab. Once you click on the tab, you generate the hop link. You copy the hop link. All right. This is for people who are brand new. You got no money to create landing pages, capture pages, all that stuff. This is if you're going to get started. Of course, this is going to take most of your time because it's not like you're going to paste your link one time and somebody's going to buy. Okay, I'm going to do this method. I'm going to be rich. No, it doesn't work like that. You got to grind until somebody actually sign up for this, right? Until you get the method that I'm going to share with you in the scripts and how you angle it, you can make more money. So stay with me. If you left off, if you dropped off, hey, adios, amigos. But if you're still here with me, you're interested and you want to learn how to make money online, even if you're broke, if it's even $50, right? So you're going to copy this link. And the next thing we're going to do, since you already did all the work from your Facebook, you put up a picture, there, you start posting. What we're going to do, we're going to find people. Now, we already copied the link already. We're going to type in the word survey. So when you type in survey, there's a bunch of different survey groups, pages that is popped up. So there's survey pages, there's survey, people are taking surveys every single day. You can join these groups, and every time they post something, there's always people down here. Where is it? All right, there's always people under these. All right, there's people liking, commenting. I sign up just to redirect it to an online gaming website and an ad sign up for, and there was no surveys. So I don't know what these people are saying all about surveys, but all you got to do is come on here. All these people are looking for surveys. Now, if you have a brand new Facebook account that I said you want to use, make sure it looks good. What you could do, you can start to send people friend requests. Now, there's two ways about this. I'm going to show you the first way, which is send people friend requests, and I'm going to show you a trick that you could do where people are going to be more interested. So bear with me. Stay with me. So send people a friend request. I know it's kind of weird. I know it's kind of creepy, but I did this and it worked out for me when I just started, and people are still doing it to this day. So all these people that are engaging, or the people that are actively on Facebook, the people who like the page, friend request, right? They like right here, I'll just friend request all these people. Like boom, friend request, right? Friend request. Some of them gonna accept you, some of them won't, and it's okay. Some accept it, some won't. It's all right. Keep going. But here's the thing. Do not try to send 50 friend requests in one day. You will get blocked by Facebook and they will say, hey, what you doing? If you want to do 10 in the morning, right? 10 in the morning when you go to work, before you go to work, or what time? 10 in the morning, do it. Later in the evening, next day you do the same thing. Make sure you like, comment on these things, so that way Facebook don't say, okay, how are you doing this? You're just sending friend requests, right? I'm getting friend requests right now. I get like at least 15 a day. So you want to do that. Now, reason why you want to do that, because if they accept you as a friend, I'm going to tell you what to say and how to do it, but stay with me. Now, once you start getting people, the next thing you want to do is you want to either join these groups. You're not going to go in here and you're not going to spam your links, but join these groups and do the same thing. If you don't want to join them, it's all right. Just click on the group, okay? Once you click on the group, you will see members, right? You will see all the members here. Well, this right here is a private group. For some reason, this person is not, well, let's see what this group helps you to gain respondents for surveys by filling in surveys of other people by helping out each other. We make a difference. Feel free to add anyone who might benefit. Okay, well, it's a private group. You can't really see who's in the group, so you can join it. Not a problem. Join the group. If you get accepted, great. If not, go over here where it says groups, and there's a bunch of groups, like all this. Groups, surveys, legit, no survey freebies. So you can come on here. It's a private group. There's moderators. We really can't see who they are, but try to join it. I'm trying to find a way how we can see people from outside without joining the group. All right, there we go. Here's a perfect group. So when you click on members, you will see all these members. Now, here's what you could do. You can, again, send a bunch of friend requests, build up your survey, build up your Facebook on friends. Don't send too many messages at once. Now, the next thing you want to do, if you don't want to do that, what you could do is you can hover over and you can come on here and you can message this guy. Now, here's the script that I wrote out for you. This is what you're going to do. At the intro, hey, the first name. So this guy name is Juice. I'll be like, hey, Juice, hope you're doing well. I know we don't know each other, but I see you are a part of such group, whatever group it is. He's a part of Survey Life. I see that you're a part of Survey Life, and I was wondering, how is that going for you? I've heard good things about the group. Is it working out for you? Do you really get paid doing surveys? So you're hitting him with not weird messages, but only questions. And I've been doing this when I didn't have any money, when I just started all of this. So what I'm telling you is something that worked, and it's still working to this day. If you don't have any money and you're broke, this is what you're going to do. You either do something about it or you just don't do anything and just stop complaining. Pretty simple. So you could do this. And once he reply, some of them will reply, some of them don't. Some of them will be like, hey, do I know you? Right? Of course, we already said that we don't know each other already. That's why it's a message that say, hey, how are you today? I'm asking you how you're doing. I know we don't know each other. I see you're in XYZ group, and I was wondering, how is that going for you? It's an open question. I've heard good things about the group. So once you do that, boom, you already strike his interest. If he want to reply, great. If not, move on to somebody else, because some will reply, some don't. Pretty simple. Some of them will reply another day or a day before. It's okay. So when they reply to whatever it is, you can say, hey, awesome. You know, are you making good money with the surveys? Because I've heard some surveys pay really low. Here we go again, right? We're having a conversation. And you could be like, hey, I know a good survey website. I know a good survey website, right? I got some good news for you, because I know a good survey website which pays more and pays more in less time, right? Because everybody knows surveys takes a long time. So if you could find and be like, hey, I know a website. Would you be interested? This is just a normal conversation. Yes or no? Good. If he said yes, all right, boom. Send him the link. Now you could send this link, not a problem. Okay. I don't know if Facebook is blocking these hop links. However, you can use a bit.ly. You can go to bit.ly.com, and you could create a link. Now you could come here, create a link, paste the link right here. Once you paste the link, you would copy the shorter link, and then you can use it, right? So once you do it, you just send it. If he wants to click on it, great. If he doesn't want to sign up for it, cool. That's how you do it. And you just do this over and over again. You post a couple times on your timeline, engage on people's posts as well, because guess what? You're going to be their friends. And once they got to do it, you got to engage. You got to engage. You got to comment. You got to become their friends. Because if someone didn't buy right now, don't say, okay, well, they didn't buy, so I'm not going to message them again. Hey, message them 2 weeks. Hey, brother, hey, did you check out the link that I sent you? Once you have that routine going on, guess what? You're going to start to have people signing up day in, day out. And I'm telling you, it works. Like all these people on my timeline, this is what they do. Most of them are marketers, 6-7-figure earners. Some of them are just starting out, but it's something that you have to do. So that's how you can make money online, even if you're broke, if it's even $50. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about that video. And I'm looking forward for another great one. So I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.